Excel shorts. How to use conditional formatting to highlight the bottom however many cells in a range of cells so that way they stick out. So here we have a bunch of numbers, and we first go to the Home tab. Then we go to the styles grouping. At the top of styles grouping, there's conditional formatting option. Now click top bottom rules, where you can then click the bottom 10 items, where now you can select the number of items that you want to highlight. We can do like 28 items. We can do 7 items, however many items we want. Let's say 10 for this example. We can then click the formatting that we want. Green fill, yellow fill, red text, whenever we want. We can even do a custom formatting, which is a topic for a longer video. Now, let's just say we want to highlight with green fill with dark green text. Click OK. Now the bottom 10 items are highlighted. I hope you found this to be useful. Like, subscribe, comment, and smash the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great day.